right, good morning, everybody. Ready to rock and roll with another day of trading here on the channel, another live stream. So we're gonna hit the intro video. We got about 4 minutes till market opens, and then we'll get ready to roll. All right, good morning. Addedly, go. Looks like pretty much everything is popping up with the market this morning. Q's up 2.5, SPY up a little over 2, and pretty much everything on the list for the most part looks like it's making a move along with that. So we got A firms up 6%, coins up 5%, Tesla's up 4%. What else we got? SQ, they're up 6%. AGFY, top one. What in the world? Why is that? Interesting. AKUS up 87%. That looks like a buyout. Yes, LLY is buying AKUS. So let's check LLY. They are pretty flat so far this morning. What else we got? AVEO. They're up 40%. That also looks strange. That one's a buyout too. Yep. By LG Chem, whatever that is. Also a buyout there in AVEO. And IO moving this morning. They're up almost 7%. Maybe they'll be a watch out of the opening gates here. But we've got less than 2 minutes to go. So we're going to get ready and trade. Good luck today, everybody. Hope you had a good start to your week yesterday. Got to get the protein and creatine in as we go along this morning before the gym later today. It's leg day, everyone's favorite. Let me log this. Well, we got 1 minute left. All right, less than a minute. Good luck, everybody. Going to be relying on the scanners as always to bring up the plays today as I go, and we'll see what happens. Last stream was really good. I think last stream was up almost 200, so got big shoes to fill there. Don't know if we'll see that today, but we'll see what we get. Market is about to open, so stand by. All right, and here we go. So we'll see what pops here out of the opening gates. NIO trying a little bit, but hasn't really made much of a move yet. Lasers, light volume. AEHR moving. Maybe up towards 1850. Light volume there still. AVCT moving again today. Whoops. This is the one I traded yesterday. I still have to locate that one. W's moving a little bit. Maybe it gets over 36. Yeah, a lot of things hitting on the scanner, but all of them, well, a lot of them under 200K volume. W only has 300K. CVNA. Maybe if we get up a little higher here. Got up to about 20 on the spike yesterday. W still moving. It's a little bit slow. I'd like to see higher. Yeah, I thought I was going to get up through 40 there. Now we got a few things dropping. And I got right to 40. What's happening here in TFC? They had earnings. Target is moving. Maybe if it got 160. Got up to 159.72. See if it can make a nice push through 160. Actually, it did, and it was just way too fast. Damn, might have missed that. See if you can do it again. All right, I'm going to try a little TGT here, 160.70, 100 shares. We'll see what it does. See if we can get up through 161.3 for an ad. Put 50 out at 160.20. Okay, got those. Let's see if we can get down lower now. 159.7. If we can get a flush under 160. I'll go ahead and put 25 out there. Holding on to 160 here. All right, see if we can get the fill here at 159.70. Got 5 of the 25 shares there. Can we get the other 20? Okay, now down to 25 shares here. See if we can get these lower. Where do I want these? Maybe 159.30? Try and front run the 159 a little bit. All right, taking it all right there, 159.26. So TGT starting out with a nice little winner today. Put this chart in the room. And we're off and running. Let's see if we can find something else now. KPRX, no borrows available there. CL. Oh, actually might have missed that CL move there. That was nice. Didn't see that while I was messing with TGT. Maybe it'll give it a second run. Do I even want to look? Do I want to look and see what TG2's doing now? Oh, I don't. It's okay. Not upset with that one. All right. Who wants to be traded next? Next move, please. Market just kind of going sideways, slightly down. Tesla's actually pulled back pretty nice off the open there. AEHR just kind of slow grinding up. Where's the volume? QNRX, a big pop there. Hard to borrow. 24 billion on that float with a B? I do have borrows. But do I want to mess with this thing that looks like it's about to halt and recently went to 10? It is a really nice move. I don't know. Looks like it's just going to pull back anyway, so no worries. Cuck, the most ridiculous ticker in the stock market. Cuck, C-U-K. It's a pharma company too. I generally try and avoid the biotech pharmas just because those can really be the stupid ones. All right, well, just got to sit and wait and see what the next decent move is going to be. Assuming, of course, that we get one. CRWD, a little bit light on the volume, less than 500K. Veru would have to get a nice bigger pop out of there. CRM would probably need a pop through 158. High of the morning was 157.25, but it got up to 158 and even 160 in pre-market. DQ, little pop here, but volume's very, very light. So I probably need 54. Yeah, probably just going to avoid it with that volume. Missed that CVNA pop this morning initially. Probably need 1950 again here. See if we can give it another run. Tesla just made a new low. would need through 1250 at least. Volume's light, less than 500. Man, the volume is just so bad. Tesla falling further here now. Let me think about some calls here if it falls further. Switching to options. I want to see it push down towards 750. Well, got right to where I wanted there, but didn't quite get through it. Dollar makes you holla. What's your announcement today, honey boo boo? Was that your announcement? IMUX moving. Volume there's light as well. Well, just kind of sitting around and waiting, boys. I'm eating my spaghetti and ketchup. Bowel? Bowel? Okay, bowl. Yeah, you're not seeing anything either. It's just, I mean, there's a lot of things that have like decent moves on the day, but they're just god awful volume. Like IMUX, you're moving, but you got no volume. You've traded what, like 20K since I looked at you, pulled you up? CCL? CCL? Yeah. It's got good volume at least. MNMD? That's hard to say. Maybe if it hit like 320, could give it a stab. Yeah, it might try. We'll see. Hit 317 there. Well, here we go. Can it? Man, I don't know what to do with this one. Maybe should have just taken it at 20. I don't know. All right, let's try it at 30. If I can get it. So far, not. Did not. All right, cancel that order out for now. Still watching it. No fills there at 30. Probably want higher now. Would want to break through that level. Now it's gone a couple minutes of sideways. See if we can get up 340. Well, not nearly as good of a break that time. Womp womp. Yeah, I was looking at SBNY, but I think for that price level, the volume's a little low for me. It's also on earnings news. Actually, it started way down this morning and has since rebounded all the way up. Was down at 142, now up at 156. I think the volume's going to keep me away there. Only 700K means the spread is 20, 30, 40 cents. It's definitely trying to make a move though. RBT, hard to borrow, light volume. LMT is tempting, but they're also even lighter volume and also on earnings. Maybe try like a small stab if it got 419, I think I would need. And I mean small stab. $160 decent level. Yeah, I was looking at the 200 there at 419.60. That's why I was thinking a move towards 419 might be okay. Also, a bunch of candles have hit like right on that 420 mark. SPNY 160. Yeah, I can see that. This one's just moving so freaking slow. Like, at least LMT, the candles were a bit extended. These candles are tiny grinders. Sounds like everybody killed MNMD. What'd it do? Yeah, a little pullback. AVCT still kind of going, but nothing interesting there yet. Still in CCL calls, so don't short till 865. I mean, I would consider a short if it ran to 865 in like one candle. I don't see that happening though. It's also 1.1 billion on the float there. Probably why it's a little bit more grindy. But calls are working out. Good job. I guess depending on where you got in, but looks pretty good. Where'd my cursor go? There it is. That's the only problem with this new giant monitor I have is I lose my cursor so often. AVCT is running again. Same borrow cost as yesterday, but I would probably need, what, $3 here, really? If I'm being honest with it. Because I'm looking for what, at right now, best case scenario is a 10-cent pullback, and that's just boring. PRX is the nutty one today, it looks like. Already halted once. I actually went long cano yesterday on one of the dips, and I took just a quick move. I think I was long on this? No, where was I long there? I can't remember. Oh, back further, yeah. I was long on this dip, this dip, and took this bounce back right here. Oh man, it went all the way down to 475 yesterday. Jeez. Glad I took that quickly. Cano sounds familiar. I don't know. Holy, what? What just happened in AVCT? Did they announce the the offering? What is happening? Oh my goodness. What just happened there? It's got to be an offering, right? What else would cause that kind of move with that kind of volume? Man, we were just looking at that one too. Imagine if it had made the move to 3 and we got in and got that move. Holy crap. Haven't seen the news pop up yet there. Man. Veru, it's just every time I pull it up, I'm like, and then I'm like, maybe CVNA can try again. 1950 was the level I was thinking of previously. Come on, we need some more trades. What time is it? 10:15. It's actually later than I thought. It feels like I've only been here for like 20 minutes. A, B, and B dropping. Don't super love it. Can CVNA get to 1950 this time? Just can't do it. Where's the FOMO? Yeah, AVCT. I'm assuming it's an offering. Oh yeah, there it is. $10 million registered direct offering. Private placement price at the market. So they offered $10 million worth of shares at the market price, and that's what sent it plummeting. Yeah, and they do that all the time too. These companies, when they get their big runs, it's like, oh, we just happen to have an offering ready. Imagine that. Aren't we lucky we just had that on standby? Well, we are officially in the grind game. Almost done my protein. The question is, what time do I want to go to the gym today? KPRX still going. Today's big mover. Looking like it's trying to get to 10. Oh, less than a 1 mil on the float there, so it is 5 times rotated. Oh, there's $10. Yep, KPRX definitely moving there. Monkey, hello, by the way. I won't be touching this one, but it is really the only thing moving right now after that AVCT down move. Looks like it's going to halt here. Oh, it was trying for a second. Now I can push higher because it didn't get that halt. Market dropping a little bit further now, just continuing its slow, gradual move down off of the open. And aboard. Might be an early gym day today. Check in on Monkey, see how he's doing today. PDD, pretty nice drop here. 59.80 down to 57.80, about 2 points. Coming along with the market move. Maybe an early one today, boys. Maybe an early one. Hey, is your name by any chance related to Trading Monkey? Because he was always saying next week. Oh, I caught up there. Yeah, poor guy. I really like him, but he is struggling to make some progress. Hilarious, though. Very entertaining. What is he at today? I gotta always zoom in to see. Oh, he's in a call on the market? Yeah, I saw he was talking about doing the 112 stuff and all that, but he doesn't quite get it. Yeah, I turned him on when she said that. He is his own worst enemy, unfortunately. At least when it comes to trading. Wait for confirmation. One of the worst things you can say in trading. Yeah, I was watching him last week a bunch, and he was actually in a pretty good setup and position, and he held for like, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes while he was red, and then as soon as it started like actually working out real well, he just jumped out. Which, I mean, it is the hardest thing to do in trading, I think, is hold on to your winners, but yeah, I almost traded Tesla earlier. Just been dropping with the market. Everything's just slowly grinding down with the market move. Actually, Tesla's always up on my right screen, or my right side of my screen here that you guys don't currently see. That's the one that I have there by default. Actually, it's making a pretty good little drop here. Yeah, not good, but... Coins dropping. Market just made new lows. Gonna be hard to get something popping to the upside right now, that's for sure. Yeah, I know, Diego. I mean, I was pretty happy with TGT. What the freak is happening here? Oh, it went over there. Until it just kept dying after I got out. I was actually happy with it at the time. But it was just one of those that just really, really worked. Everyone left his channel. He still gets a lot of people watching. How many people he's got watching right now? 94. That's a bunch. I know he used to have probably like 200. Subscribers at 14K, so that slowed down for him. That's what happens when you don't follow through. Barely any streams. Yeah. Well, Adley, I'm more concerned with my trading than the streaming. And nope, no short in CCL today. It never made a good move. Like this right here was the best move of the day, and that was what, 10 cents, 15 cents. I'm not gonna be playing that. It's boring. I just need to go back to how I started my channel originally way back in the day. Just taking 1,000 shares every time. Then I'll probably get some views. Let it ride, baby. Adley's not hating. He secretly wants it to go to the moon. He's actually Well, yeah, exactly, Monkey. It was horrible trading, but it did wonders for YouTube. I know there's stuff I could make, like videos I could make that would really blow up on YouTube, but it's just not my style. Like back in the day when before there's a million channels out there now, but when I first started my channel there wasn't that many, and that's probably one of the reasons why it grew decently. But also the thing back in the day for people to do was when they were trying to grow their channel is they would just make videos bashing other people's channels on YouTube. And they actually, those videos always had a lot of people watching them, but I'm just not into that. Not my thing. I try to avoid drama in my life these days. What is he yelling about? He just bought puts? Jesus. What is he doing? Yeah, Patrick, exactly. Hi, Sammy. I see you. Quick question: do the scanners sound alerts? Yeah, they have the sounds on. I just have the sound disabled for the stream because it's kind of annoying because it's just beeping in your ear all the time, especially at market open when everything's popping. Yeah, Patrick is still doing things that aren't real, unfortunately. I think Trey has gone legit. I haven't actually looked at what he's doing in a while. I'm not sure though. I know he was faking it too there for a bit. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Well, he's doing the top step thing and trying to claim that he's actually making all this profit in his videos, but he's really just, I mean, it's pretty clear how deep he is in with Top Step now. So he's basically paper trading, yeah. HPV trading is 20 points up in the S&P. Puts need to expire day in the money by 12 p.m. Stick to the reality channels there, honey. Looks like he's actually regressed a little bit, unfortunately. Yeah, basically that. It's kind of like that, just the legal US version on futures contracts. I mean, I don't really know a whole lot about Top Step and how it works. The only good thing about TradeNet was, at least to the person trading it, it was real because they had live money on the line in it. But everything that he trades is fake. Every single thing that Mir trades is fake. Not one trade he takes is real money. He's just taking any one candle right now with no rhyme or reason. Kevin? I haven't talked to Kevin in a while. He kind of disappeared. I'm not really sure what he's doing these days. I don't even think he does anything on his YouTube anymore. Let me look. Yeah, his last video was 2 months ago. Before that was 2 months before that. Yeah, I don't really know what he's doing. Creeping up just a little bit. Just a little bit, honey. Just go start shorting a bunch of it too, and then you can't lose, right? Control the market with your size. What is he doing right now? Dude, monkey, just stop. Just any one candle, no rhyme or reason. I was never even that mad at him. I'm still not, but he apparently was. Now I just switched to a call. What is he doing? This is why his channel gets views, though. It's hard to look away from a car crash. You know how everybody slows down on the freeway when there's a crash and looks? Same kind of deal. Now he's back in calls. What is happening? Scalping is not a strategy, bro. It's a type of trading. Jeez. Oh, it's hard to watch. Oh boy. Yikes. Yikes, 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 yikes. Wow, he's up to 170 loss? What is he doing? Oh my gosh, he's still going. Jesus. Alright, I'll be right back. I gotta go get my pre-workout. I'll drink that and then probably close the stream up. Not too long. What is going on here? How did I do this? There we go. All right, now we're sealed. I'm still in a contract somewhere? Your system's still on short signal. Yeah, it's going to be interesting here. It's done a little bit of pullback off of that 371. Now it's just kind of deciding what it wants to do. Yeah, I mean, he is definitely entertainment, and you know, all the things that go along with it. I also am rooting for him. Like, I want him to do well. I don't see it happening necessarily, but I'm not rooting against him. He's a good guy. He just doesn't really have a idea of what he wants to be doing or needs to be doing. Pre-workout super juice. He doesn't, but at the same time, you don't really want to take advice from YouTube either. But he needs to find it somewhere. He needs to like get with a profitable trader that can help him, has the time to sit down with him, formulate a strategy. LMT creeping. Yes, it is. Well, he definitely had no rhyme or reason. Normally he has some kind of reason why he's taking a trade. He had absolutely no rhyme or reason why he took his trades today. At least the ones that I was watching. Absolutely none. The candle would move one way and he would just take the opposite. You know you're really struggling when every minute you're switching back and forth between calls and puts. When you're switching back and forth by the minute, you have no concept of what you've just lost it at that point. I think he's just lost himself today real bad. He's kind of in that mentality right now of the market's against me. I mean, trading is hard, but when you're just beating yourself over and over again, it's impossible. Have you ever looked at trading on Nadex? I think I pulled it up once. I mean, you could argue that you could be a profitable trader just taking the reverse of whatever he takes every time. Obviously, that's not a real thing. Well, not a viable strategy, but Nadex. Nadex. Is this the one? This is the binary options thing, right? They used to advertise yeah, they're the binary options thing. They used to advertise everywhere. TSM. Taiwan Semiconductors. He's I don't know. I try not to say too many bad. Whoa, D-Nut, what are you doing here? Float 167. Looking for a little bit more. Volume coming in out of nowhere here. I got 86 shares filled there. Okay, all in 1367 starter here on D-Nut. Only 100 shares because I'm not sure about this one. I don't think I've ever traded it before. See if we can get it back under 1350 here. Kind of still making its mind up of if it, does it want to go higher or does it want to come back? D-Nut. Kind of a ridiculous. Oh, it's Krispy Kreme. Guess that makes sense. Oh, it did come down under 1350? It must have been so quick. Probably over 1390 for an ad. Yeah, I refuse to ever eat anything from that fake meat company. And really, Krispy Kreme is no longer on the diet for me. So let's see if my lack of ever buying anything from there now can bring it back down under 1350 for the partial. Very jumpy here. Yeah, I think he said he was in the room. It looks like he's out now. Say he got a bad fill. I'm not sure where he got it. Actually got a good fill there. Generally do with light speed. Now it's just a matter of what's it gonna do. Oh, what you gonna do? Oh, what you gonna do? I still just have Monkey up, but I hear him going back and forth between calls and puts while I'm in this. All right, see if we can push 14 here. 1384 the high so far. Oh, McDonald's gonna sell D-Nut. Interesting. That is pretty good news for them, I would say. Wonder how that's gonna work. Are they gonna make it at the McDonald's store? And they're just gonna like send them the stuff to cook it there? Because isn't the whole thing about Krispy Kremes is they gotta be like super fresh for them to be good? I'm not a big glazed donut guy. And isn't that all they sell? Do they have other flavors? I'm not sure. I hope this doesn't turn into one of those ones that I just have to wait forever for it to make up its mind, though, because those are the most annoying. Yeah, I'm trying to think of the logistics of that. Because obviously not all McDonald's have a Krispy Kreme like right down the street that they can go pick some up and throw them in the apple pie box. All right, can we push 14 here? Hit the previous high there, 1384. Wonder why they chose Krispy Kreme and not... Well, I guess Dunkin's really big. Krispy Kreme's, I guess, a lot smaller. That's probably smart. Really selling any kind of snacks there. Probably raking it in. A little slow now. Yeah, I don't think, I don't even know where the closest Krispy Kreme would be to me. Maybe like an hour away is the closest one I can think of. 45 minutes. Definitely not any in my immediate area, but I think you can buy them at some grocery stores. They have them. Yeah, I'm trying to wait for the ad up towards 14 closer, but we'll see what it does. Got 1391 there. Definitely see that 200 sitting right around 14. Is there one in Calvert? I don't think so. I'm pretty sure there's one in Waldorf. Just the initial one still. I wanted like at least $13.94 there on the ad, so no ad in yet. See what it does here. All right, gonna add in there now. So now I have 200 at 13.80. And we need 14.25, I guess. Maybe a little less, 14.20. Thanks, man. Oh, you're unhinged? I was wondering, because I hadn't seen your name before, but you knew where I lived. I mean, this could very well just be a red trade here if it wants to keep grinding up, but we'll see what it does. Time is it? Oh, 11:15 now? Well, if it wants to make a decision, then we can close it out and go to the gym for leg day and not get any Krispy Kremes afterwards. Coming down towards my average now, but I want to get it lower than that. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't really know anything about binary options. I remember thinking they were kind of scammy, but to be honest, I don't know a whole lot about them. See if we can get closer to 1370. It's not going to be a big trade either way. Ooh, ba, 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 ba. What do I want to do? All right, take 3/4 off right there. Down to just 50 shares now. Maybe get 56? 1356. Put those out there. Benching 700 with one finger. I'm just trying to lose weight, get shredded. I've really hit a wall here around like the 190 mark, at least weight-wise. I think it's because I'm also building muscle, so it's a very slow on the scale decline right now. Because I'm still eating good, still working out 5 times a week at least. I did 2.5 hours at the gym yesterday. That was my longest ever. All right, all out there on D-Nut. Made a little bit. At least I was nice and patient with that one. Pretty happy with that overall. Got the ad in at the correct spot. Can't complain. Only a small win because I started it with small share size, but can't complain. Hey, it took me over $100 on the day too. Let's go. Thank you. What's Monkey doing in the meantime? What's he up to now? He's over 200 now, lost. What is he doing? 212? What is he doing? See you, buddy. Thanks for being here. I'm about to roll out shortly, too. Probably just give it till 11:30, and then I'm going to be heading out. If you open a gym, I will be there for the grand opening, honey boo boo. But I will not take any of the donuts or ketchup. Yeah. Ah, confirmation is the dumbest freaking word in trading. I hate that word so much. If all the trades gave us confirmation, no one would ever lose. D-Nut. Now I just need to trade Cuck, and we'll have it rounded out. D-Nut and Cuck, man, if those were my 2 trades today, that would maybe turn into my screensaver. Yeah, I hate that word. I hate confirmation, and that's my number 1 hated word in trading, and my number 1 hated phrase in trading is the trend is your friend. Ugh. Blech. All right, I'm going to give it 10 more minutes, boys. I do appreciate y'all being here. 10 more minutes on the live stream today. Should be here trading rest of the week, but not live. This will be regular video styles because I'm hitting the overnights at work, so I'm going to be dead tired, which is why I chose to do it today before that happens. Only 114 shares of rebates today, though. That makes me sad. I love my rebates. Hey, market dropping more. There you go. Looks like you're going to be in the money there, honey boo boo. ERNA. ERNA. Ugh. I hate everything about it. So it probably depends what your plan is. Are you in this? The float is less than 3 million. It's already halted twice today, or is this just no volume? This is definitely a halt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's a halt too. I mean, eventually I believe it'll come down. It's also a biotech stock, pharma, Aetna Therapeutics, pretty much all the things I try to avoid. So, long story short, Diego, I hate that one. It's almost rotated the float as well. Only about 1 million more shares traded to go. Did Monkey just get off? It's quiet. Oh, he did. Poor guy. Yeah, you're looking good there, my friend. Yeah, I'm probably not going to try Nadex, but if you want to post videos on your channel about it, I'll be happy to watch them. On Wired Day Trader? Why not? You gotta make, Nah, dude, make a Honey Boo Boo trading channel or Hindsight trading channel, not Wired. Come on now. That guy's old news. LMT is still just grinding higher. That's true. When's the last time Wired even posted a video? Have you even seen this video of me? What is this? First trader with a Cybertruck? Oh, you're ridiculous. The link? Alright, hold on. I don't even think I've seen this one before. I don't remember it. I mean, it's over a year old. Should I copy strike you for having my logo in there? Yeah, coins died today for sure. All right, boys, it is 11:30, so I think I am going to shut it down and head to the gym. Hopefully y'all had a good trading day. Appreciate you being here for the stream. I'll catch you in the next one, and I'll catch you the rest of the week in the videos. Have a great one.